In Squarespace, to update an existing page, we've got two approaches. We can either find the page on our navigation, go to that site, go to that individual page, and from there we can click Edit via this button. However, another alternative approach, especially if you've got a page that's not on the menu system, you can instead go to Pages in this left-hand navigation. We click on Pages and we can see our pages that sit on the top menu. And this one here is a text page or blank. Flexible page, think of this as a one-size-fits-all. It allows us to create content in sections, which I'll cover in another tutorial, and we can build up to as long a page as we want within reason. We can create highly bespoke, unique layouts using this approach. Next up, we have the folder system. The folders offer this pull-down menu here so we can group multiple pages in one section so that our hero navigation or main navigation on our website that sits in this masthead section doesn't become unruly. Note that Squarespace calls the masthead a header section so we don't get confused. We have the option for a customized button that doesn't sit and follow the format of the main navigation. This is edited via going into the masthead editing options, which again will be covered in another tutorial. If I was to scroll down this left menu system here, we can see that we've got a lot of pages fitting into this navigation system. Additional page types could include a link option. This allows us to link to third-party pages or websites where it is not a page itself. We also have blog posts where we can see this fountain pen icon. This allows us to put multiple pages or posts into one section. Most of the pages here though are the standard text page option, similar to the home page as I've just demoed. And finally we've got the store. This is a place for our products to allow us to update and edit them. And for future tutorials as part of this knowledge base, I'm going to be covering each page type individually, showing how you can update them and how you can maintain them. But before we wrap up, there's two additional sections. We've got member sites. So if you subscribe to the highest plan on Squarespace, you'll be able to create member specific areas. This means that your visitor will need a login and password, which could either be free or they could pay on a subscription to your site, and then they can access these password protected sections. Finally, we've got not linked, and I've got way too many in here. I need to do some organizing. These are pages that you don't want to appear on the navigation system. So it could either be a page that you have in draft, or it could be a page that you link to from multiple sections and you don't want to link from the home page directly. Alternatively, it could be a standalone landing page for a specific email campaign. There's so many versatile ways of using the different page styles within Squarespace, and these are just a few.